Every year, Johnny.
Every year for 3 days, wet or dry, I wouldn't miss it for the world, lad. All-Ireland ploughing match, every year I match, with raincoat stick and wellies, and I don't forget me hat. I trudging through the gutter, the crowds and the muck. Everyone is happy, 'cause where there's muck there's luck. Me home place now in Ireland is in the Garry Hill. We always had great ploughmen, and bigor we have them still. They're ploughing with the horses, tractors old and new, and the women they plough best of all in Anna May McHugh. All-Ireland ploughing match, every year I match, with raincoat stick and wellies, and I don't forget me hat. I trudging through the gutter, the crowds and the muck. Everyone is happy, 'cause where there's muck there's luck. The field is like a town, with tents, shops and stands, pubs inside the marquees, with music from great bands. You came to see the plough, bigor there's much, much more. There's all kinds of sorts of yokes and novelties galore. All-Ireland ploughing match, every year I match, with raincoat stick and wellies, and I don't forget me hat. I trudging through the gutter, the crowds and the muck. Everyone is happy, 'cause where there's muck there's luck. Young lads like the tractors and the great big four-wheel drives. Our lads love the horse plough, reminisce about their lives. Women used to do the baking, always mind a child. Now they can do everything, educated, young and wild. All-Ireland ploughing match, every year I match, with raincoat stick and wellies, and I don't forget me hat. I'm trudging through the gutter, the crowds and the muck. Everyone is happy, 'cause where there's muck there's luck. All-Ireland ploughing match, every year I match, with raincoat stick and wellies, and I don't forget me hat. I'm trudging through the gutter, the crowds and the muck. Everyone is happy, 'cause where there's muck there's luck. Everyone is happy, and they don't give a damn.
All right, get ready. Here we go. A little by blue can blow up your horn. The sheep's in the meadow and the cows in the corn. Aye, aye, aye. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack with little Bo Peep. Aye, aye, aye. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Right on. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Right, name of the game. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, her knickers all tattered and torn. It wasn't a spider who sat down beside her, was little by blue with the yarn. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Right on, here we go. Icky-taka, ticky-taka, ticky-taka, tire. Whoop-aya, pussy catch a fire. Yeah, a little by blue. Uh-huh, 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 yeah. Black pussy, white pussy, pink pussy, blue. The name of the game is a little by blue. Aye. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Right on, here we go. A rasta for I, a rasta for me, a little by blue in a ganja tree, smoking the weed. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Yeah. By Blue stood on the burning deck, playing a game of cricket. The ball rolled up his trouser leg and he stumped his middle wicket. Aha, 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 aha. Right on, here we go. Tiki-taka, 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 jaya. Whoop-a-ya, pussy catch a fire. Yeah.